So here's a quick update on, I finally got the metallic pens. The gold and silver ones didn't work. They were too thick, even though they were fine point. So I got these, there's like 10 different colors here. These multicolored ones. Anyway, they're pretty cool. So I painted out the, it's supposed to be, it started off as a flaming eye, cosmic eye, but I turned it into, I don't know, some sort of cosmic beetle? I don't know. Anyway, gold, black, different colors. I'm just going to put some clear coat over this area and bring it up a little bit, a couple layers, and then just even it out. It's I want a 3D effect on that, and do some sanding here, clean that up a bit. I got the this is the bottom part of the neck block. It's hollow. You can see that takes a lot of weight. Takes a lot of weight away. This is right here. The heel goes into, it gets inserted into the heel block like that. So it's on a little angle too. So I guess it's like a dovetail that way. And on top, I don't know if you can see in there, but it gets inserted on top too, like a dovetail. So you got sort of like two dovetails going. Yeah. Anyway, I'll let you know how it works out. So all now it's left to do is take off this blue tape right here and put the frets in and clean it up a bit. And maybe it's probably going to have to be clear coated because of the paint, because I don't want to put oil on the paint because it's going to smear it all over the place for this stuff. So anyway, that's a quick update.